This is cool if you like jets. The U.S. is flying its F-35s in full stealth mode near Belarus as part of NATO's collective defense operations. Now, they're not doing anything at the moment.
Yeah, I was just going to say.
But they're ready to do something. So here's how it goes. Let me do a little NATO for you. Here's how it goes. You're in NATO. You're not in NATO. You're not in NATO. We're nearby. We keep our distance. You're in NATO. 1 bomb equals 2 bombs. Instant retaliation. It's the way it's supposed to work. So this entire operation, invasion, is close enough to NATO nations that in order to have equivalent retaliation, you would have to have this equipment nearby.
Right.
And
you're prepared.
Active.
Yeah.
But what's significant here about these F-35s, this is, by the way, the F-35 Lightning II aircraft, is that there's different ways that they can be configured. And this is the stealthiest configuration you can ever see. According to analysts, these F-35s are not carrying radar cross-section enhancers or reflectors during this mission. During routine missions, the plane is equipped with those things. However, in order to not be detected or least likely to be detected, like air traffic controllers can't pick these things up in this configuration. Very stealthy, right? You don't want anyone to know that you're there. But these photos that were captured is actually refueling. Look at these photos, how cool these are. Look how cool that is.
Wow.
Click on them so we can see them bigger.
Refueling in the air?
Yeah, Mo.
I never really thought about it, but of course that's how you would do it.
Refueling in the air, man. You go back to look at that. Come
Very techie. Very cool.
And so stealthy with the matte finish and like no markers.
No branding.
It almost looks like a spaceship. Like it's not far off. I watched the Bobby Fett's and I watched the Mandalorians and these things. It's when you see it without any markers, lights, like nothing on it.
It's got a cool.
I mean, it's cool anyway, but
matte black look to it.
Yeah, gunmetal type of thing going on. These were geolocated, so we can tell where this took place. It was above the Polish town of Kozyniec. You see, my Polish is getting better.
Yeah.
I don't even know if that was right. I just tried to put like a little extra flavor on it so that maybe I nailed it. I mean, maybe not. Probably not. A public ADSB track of the KC-135 of the 100th ARW from the same day also matches that location, showing the F-35A was... So there's still like ways to pick it up, its activities. Obviously, it's still pumping out some type of signal for them to pick it up, but whatever. It's still much more stealthy.